Okay, good morning guys. We are back at Dill's Cemetery. We noticed that Roseanna's, Tombstone, Randall, and Sam and Martha, their tombstone needs a little bit of cleaning. So we thought we'd come back and clean them. It's very cold this morning. Is it 26?
Yeah, okay.
So it is cold, but we thought we'd come and work on it a little bit. It's pretty out though.
Go ahead.
Okay. Whee. Here we go.
Gate for you.
Show you what it looked like before.
Yeah, get it before and after.
Here is Roseanna's before. And here is Randall's and Sarah's before. Whew. We put a little bit of water on there to clean it up.
Alright, you turn it off for now.
Okay. We're cleaning off her tombstone. Rubbing it with a little bit of soap and water.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, pour a little bit of water on there. Whee. We might not have brought enough water for...
Alright.
There we go.
Take a break. We ain't done with it yet.
No, but it looks a little bit better. There we go. Once the sun comes out and it dries it, maybe it'll be good. Definitely needed some cleaning.
Yeah.
Definitely needed that. Okay.
Just hang on there.
There.
A little bit better.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it looks better.
It's a little bit better.
Maybe time it dries and stuff, we'll be able to see it before we come back.
Right.
Okay.
I'm glad you went back to it, baby. I think that helped it. I had left some spots. Now, some of them probably ain't even going to come out. But she definitely got more than what I'm glad you went back.
Took both.
Well, you're the better cleaner of the two.
This right here looks really good. What's his daughter?
Yeah. Good job.
But the rest of it is
There's
not
you some ranch water.
coming off.
I may have to open this other jug.
Might
Good
be
job.
as good as it gets.
All right.
Hi guys.
Now we're going to go to Sam and Martha's.
We're going to go to Sam and Martha's next.
We'll
See
do
you
it.
in a little bit.